So good morning, everyone. We made it through Winter Storm Avery and didn't lose any, like nothing fell down, no huge branches or anything crazy like that. Sorry, just checking to make sure that the kitten didn't decide to escape like she did earlier this morning. Yeah, we've got some sunshine going on, which is nice. But it's like the snow decided that it wasn't quite done. So hold on one second. So we ended up with about 5 inches on Tuesday. And then there's my heated water bowl buried in all the rest of the snow. So at least, Bryn can get to it. But the chickens are just done. They're like, this white crap is... Oh, whoa. Do we have an adventurous one? Come on, Freckles. Come on, Freckles. You can do it. Come on, good girl. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Good girl. Hey, Freckles. Oh, yes, you're a good girl, too. So... yeah, lots of snow. It's still currently snowing, and we've got another major system coming in on Friday. Sounds like possibly 6 to 12 inches from the one on Friday. But all in all, they're doing pretty good. I'm going to have to figure out something. Oh. Okay. So yeah, we're going to have to figure out something for this tarp and all the snow on top here. I'll deal with that later. My door did freeze yesterday morning, but got that pretty much taken care of. I'll bet you if I just get a broom. But anywho's it. One thing I did end up doing yesterday afternoon, I chose to install my supplemental heat. Because this weekend we're supposed to have some pretty wicked below zero temperatures. I'll have to do another video with the actual brand, but it's just a radiant heat. I mean, like right about here, I can kind of feel some heat coming off of it, but like I can put my hand against it and it's not burning. I just installed it on the side. No big deal. I have it on its low heat setting because I don't want to overheat or change the basic temperature of the coop to the point where it's actually a danger to them. Chickens do run hotter than most other animals, and so in the end they are pretty well equipped for cold weather. So I don't want to remove their ability to handle it by having excessive supplemental heat, but just something right next to the roosting bars for at night so that they don't get frostbite on their combs, wattles, or their feet. That's my plan. So that's basically what it is. Yeah, I'm going to have to figure out that snow on top of the tarp. Otherwise, I might lose the roof of my run. That would not be fun. All right, have a good day, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with the Chicken Lady.